Hello, food lovers. Let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Are you always rushing in the morning? Do you crave a nutritious and delicious start to your day? Overnight oats are the answer. Imagine waking up to a jar of creamy, flavorful oats, ready to be enjoyed. Overnight oats are incredibly easy to make and endlessly customizable. They're perfect for busy mornings, providing sustained energy to power through your day. In this post, we'll explore 3 more exciting variations of overnight oats to tantalize your taste buds and fuel your body. Get ready for a breakfast revolution. Before we dive into the exciting variations, let's gather the fundamental ingredients for our overnight oats base. These simple components create a blank canvas for your flavor journey. You'll need rolled oats, the star of our breakfast show. Make sure to use rolled oats, not quick cooking oats, for the best texture. Next, choose your preferred milk. Any milk works, whether it's almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, or good old-fashioned dairy milk. To add a touch of natural sweetness, grab your favorite sweetener. Maple syrup, honey, or agave nectar all work beautifully. Finally, a pinch of salt enhances all the flavors. Now that you have your ingredients prepped, let's create the base for our overnight oats. In a mason jar or a container with a lid, combine half a cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your chosen milk. Add a drizzle of your preferred sweetener, about 1 tablespoon, or adjust to your liking. Finally, sprinkle in a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors. Secure the lid tightly and give the jar a good shake to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Section 4. 3 flavorful journeys, variations on a theme. With our base ready, let's explore 3 tantalizing flavor combinations. For our first variation, we'll embark on a tropical getaway with mango coconut paradise. Simply add a 1/4 cup of diced mango and a tablespoon of shredded coconut to your base mixture. Next, we'll indulge in the rich flavors of chocolate peanut butter bliss. Stir in a tablespoon of peanut butter, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a sprinkle of chopped dark chocolate for an irresistible treat. Finally, we'll savor the refreshing taste of berry chia seed delight. Combine a 1/4 cup of mixed berries and a tablespoon of chia seeds with your base mixture for a burst of antioxidants and omega-3s. Section 5. The overnight transformation. Refrigeration. Now comes the easy part. Place your jars in the refrigerator and let them chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. As the oats soak in the milk, they soften and create a luxuriously creamy texture. The flavors meld and deepen, resulting in a symphony of tastes that will awaken your taste buds. Refrigeration is crucial as it allows the oats to absorb the liquid, creating that perfect consistency and preventing bacterial growth.